Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how a computer learns from its mistakes and gets smarter? It's not magic, it's math. Let's see how deep learning works in the simplest way possible. So first of all, we will try to understand gradient descent. Think of a ball rolling down a hill. The goal is to reach the bottom of the hill where the error is the smallest. This is what gradient descent does. It adjusts the computer's guesses step by step to make them better. Just like the ball moves to the lowest point, the algorithm tries to find the best solution by reducing mistakes. Now we will try to understand backpropagation. Now imagine the computer makes a mistake while solving a problem. How does it fix it? Through backpropagation. First, it calculates the output and checks how wrong it was. Then the error travels backward through the system to adjust the parts that need improvement. This process helps the computer learn and get smarter. And that's how deep learning works. It learns step by step, just like you would when solving a tough puzzle. If you like this video, this simple explanation, make sure to subscribe for more easy tech lessons.